In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Airtable Bases. We'll use Zapier to listen for something that happens in Slack and have it automatically create a new Airtable base for you. I'll walk you through each step and share a few tips so everything runs smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to zapier.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can build an automation. On the dashboard, click the Create button, then choose Zaps. This opens the editor where you'll set up a trigger and an action. Let's set the trigger first. In the trigger section, search for Slack and select it as your app. Now pick the trigger event that fits your use case. Common choices include a new message in a channel, a new mention, or a specific reaction added to a message. The trigger is the thing that tells Zapier, go do the next step. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Slack workspace. Authorize Zapier so it can read the specific data needed for your trigger. If your trigger involves a channel, choose the channel you want Zapier to watch. When that's set, run a test trigger. Zapier will try to pull a recent example message or event so you can confirm it's reading the right data. If nothing shows up, post a quick test message and try again. Next, set the action. Search for Airtable and select it. For the action event, choose Create Base. This tells Zapier to spin up a new Airtable base whenever your Slack trigger fires. Sign into your Airtable account and grant access. You'll see the fields needed to create a base, such as the workspace where the base should live and the base name. A helpful tip is to map Slack data into the base name so it's meaningful. For example, include the Slack channel name or a keyword from the message. Keep names concise and consistent so you can find things later. Now configure and test the action. Double check you've selected the correct Airtable workspace. Review your mapped fields and then click test. Zapier will create a sample base in Airtable using your settings. Open Airtable in another tab and confirm the base appears as expected. If something looks off, adjust your mappings and retest until the result matches your intention. That's it. You've connected Slack to Airtable using Zapier, so a Slack event can automatically create a new Airtable base. With your trigger tested and your action configured, you're ready to streamline your workflow and keep your workspaces organized.